Yo, welcome to the show. It's your boy Elias Blade here with a tutorial where I'm just going to show you how to make an account on Scratch, and this is also in this video I'm going to show you what I'm going to do on my channel. So let's get started. So I want to start with how to make your account on Scratch. So what you do is you click join Scratch. That's the first thing you do. Otherwise, it's not going to work. So follow these steps if you want an account. First, you make an account. So my username's just going to be a bunch of zeros for this demo. Let's see, you've got that. Yep, mine must be 20 letters or shorter. Do that. Username taken. Try again. Username taken. Try again. If it already says username taken, try again, then make another username. It's really annoying. It's wasting a lot of time. Okay, so there we are. It works. There we are. And for the password, make sure the password is 6 or more letters or numbers or whatever it is. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just gonna do 6 zeros. Select what country you live in. I'm obviously not going to show you what country I live in because I'm not that stupid. I'm going to pick Antarctica. And then this is not my date of birth, just saying. Pick your date of birth. So I'm just going to pick 1900. Pick female or male or whatever gender you are. If you don't want to say it, click prefer not to say. And email address, well, I'm not going to show you my email address, but do your email address and click this button right here and click create account. Okay, and then you've got your account. And then if you are really annoyed with your account or you just don't want to use it anymore, and you're annoyed or not annoyed, but whatever you are, you just don't want to use Scratch anymore, this is what you do. Follow the steps. Click sign in. I'm just going to use my development group, Better Together 19. Better Together 19. Okay, so what you do now is you go to account settings. I'm actually not deleting this account because I'm making this with my friends. We make games together. What you do is you click I want to delete my account. Okay. And then it will show you how to do it from there. Click yes, next step. I'm obviously not going to delete this. If you have a sudden change of heart, click whoops, go back. Because then you will avoid deleting your account. Okay, so what you want to do now is, well, not what you want to do now. Finally, I'm going to show you what I do on my account. One sec, I'm just going to sign out of my account, or the account. So, got that there. Doing that, You're doing really well. Thank you for watching this video. Also, I'm not done yet because I need to show you what I do on my channel. So, my name is Elias Blade, as you might have guessed. I like making tutorials and all that sort of stuff. I'll give tutorials on Scratch, how to program, and tutorials on a website called Soundtrap and how to make music. And, well, folks, that's going to do it for today. More videos coming up. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications to view my next upload. Thank you for watching my first ever video. It means a lot to me, and I'll see you soon. Bye.